Penny mangles all over the place. It's a lift for the dragon, and it was a proper lift as well.
Once again, all focus away, that's all focus in pocket.
Whee! Biggest coaster of the day.
Is it the biggest?
This drop's quite good. This drop reminds me of the ultimate. The ultimate is the drop and go just through the curves, it's like a straight line.
Yeah, dragon!
Way, dragon!
It's like the flying fish, isn't it?
Yeah! Dragon lift. Doors opening.
What do you think of Dragon?
What did you think of Dragon Ball?
I think it's probably the best ride of the day.
You think?
I think so.
Fair enough.
Just the theming on it, going through the tunnels out of the castle.
Yeah.
And the ride was decent as well. It reminds me of the flying fish.